Turning now to some other stories that we are following tonight. In a vote out of Washington, where Congress took a step that could possibly restrict President Trump's war with Iran, the Senate advanced a measure aimed at limiting the president's war powers by requiring congressional approval for any future military action in Iran. The vote was 50 to 47 in favor of advancing the legislation. 4 Republicans joined nearly all of the Democrats in approving the measure.
I think it's a good step forward. It's a recognition that renewing the war against Iran is not a great idea, that we should be trying to resolve this diplomatically.
Several Republican senators were absent for the vote, making it unlikely the measure will succeed on final passage. This was the 8th Iran-related war powers resolution this year. Tonight, a makeshift memorial is growing outside the Islamic Center of San Diego after a mass shooting at the mosque yesterday. Authorities say it is being investigated as a hate crime. Police say 2 teenage gunmen opened fire, killing 3 people, including a security guard. Witnesses say the actions of the security guard helped save other lives.
What I have heard more is words of solidarity and appreciation for the 3 brothers who were murdered here, especially our security guard, Brother Amin Abdullah. Amin, I can tell you that if it was not for him taking action against the shooters could easily have access to all the classrooms.
Police discovered the bodies of the alleged shooters, 2 teenage males, in a vehicle in the middle of a street. Also in California, crews continue to battle several wildfires. The wind is not helping crews attack the Sandy Fire in Simi Valley. It has burned more than 1,300 acres and was only 5% contained. More than 700 firefighters are working to get it contained, which was sparked when a tractor hit a rock. 17,000 residents in the area are under mandatory evacuation orders.